Honda CRV no start diagnosis. The vehicle had absolutely no power when it was towed in. I was able to jump start it and drive it right in here just fine. But it took a lot of power to jump start it. It took 3 batteries, which is normal when a battery is as low as this one is. Right now, it's sitting at a little over 10 volts. And when I give it a load, we get 3 volts. It's supposed to stay in the green the entire time. But I need to put a charge on it for at least an hour and then retest it and see if it comes back. But the likelihood is not good that the battery is going to work again.